This is day one of my new series, Sunday Football, Apps, and Snacks, and today we are making these super easy and delicious Hawaiian roll meatball sliders. In a pot, you're just going to add in 12 frozen meatballs, and then cover those meatballs with about 3 cups of your favorite marinara sauce. And just make sure that all the meatballs are submerged under the sauce as best as you can, and you're going to cook that for about 20 minutes or whatever it says according to the package. Next, you're just going to take a package of Hawaiian rolls and cut out the tops just like this. And then this is where I started to add my meatballs, but I totally forgot. You're going to want to add some sauce first into each one before you add in your meatballs. So once each roll is filled up with a little bit of sauce, then you can go ahead and add 1 meatball into each one. And then you're just going to take 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix that together, and you're just going to top that on each of the rolls. Then you're going to cover each meatball with a little bit more sauce. And to finish it off, you're just going to top the rolls with some shredded mozzarella cheese. And this part's optional, but I like to top mine with a little bit of Italian seasoning. And these just go in a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. And that's all there is to it. These also make a super easy weeknight dinner when you really don't feel like cooking. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you love super easy dinner recipes,